Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is my third video, and I'm happy to be with you all again. Today, I would want to discuss about something very interesting, which is table banking and chamas. The thing that I have really admired about in Kenya and also in the East African and African market is table banking and the chama setup. It's a setup where I could see group of people, they come together, then they now join together. They assist each other by just investing from each and everyone savings, where people just sit around a table and then they now discuss within like how much they have, how much would they want to invest on, or bring it onto the table to support within them. There is an interest fee. The person who is applying for the loan or who is getting the loan has to explain why they need that loan, and once they get the loan, then they have to repay. While they repay it with an interest. That interest is not like a simple interest, compound interest. It's not a complicated thing like a bank or a microfinance does. It's a very simple aspect. People just contribute and then they now agree is the interest rate is 10%, 5%, 20%. The rates differs because they also look at the risk rating. They know as a team, they know each other very well. Who are they? Is it from their friends network? Are they from their family side? Every community, they have their own group. They create their own group with full freedom, discuss and agree that they are going to bring onto the table how much. They now put together all that and then they distribute it for the requested loans from each and every of these members, whoever has requested, looking through, discussing and agreeing like who needs the loan very urgently and the purpose of the loan. If the purpose of the loan satisfies everyone to agree upon lending for that particular application, then they just sort that member. So it's a great thing. I could see table banking and chamas way of banking is really a boom in African market, and people are assisting each other, and it's a great thing that I have to appreciate. And there are a lot of things that we could see from there, and we can learn a lot of things. Even banks has to learn a lot of things from there. That sort of setup they have, and then the way they assist each other and the way they now collect it back pulled me into. So I'm trying to research a lot on it. I'm building a lot of structures on it. I'm just looking at how to automate, how to make sure the structure is brought in so that the table banking becomes a structured way of business and a structured way of banking and saving. It is a great thing. It brings a lot of benefits to each and every member in the group. At the same time, it brings in a very serious culture of repayments. It brings in a culture of sharing. It brings in a culture of opening up to other friends. Nowadays, these social medias and the way the mobile and the online apps and things made it in a way that people doesn't interact or communicate within each other. So it becomes an issue nowadays that we don't even know who our neighbor is. So this table banking is a serious platform that I could say something has really pulled my interest into, and I'm so attracted towards the concept and the way it brings in a new outlook. It's something traditional, but it is something that is so helpful for people who are in need of money and who can prove that their requirement is very important and who will be able to repay, and who has a real intention of repaying are the ones who go with this table banking, because they cannot be able to even go away from their repayment commitments and things because they are their own friends. It's a great idea. So I have started my research on it. I'm trying to build platforms and also ideas that now bridge in the gaps, even a small spillage and the leakage of trust and monetary aspect. But still, it's something that I thought of sharing with you. It's a great idea. So I would even request if friends, you feel like there is an idea that you will be able to share with me, I'll be more than happy to listen to you and also to work with you on those ideas and the concepts that can make this table banking a revolutionary banking platform, which is easy and also well structured, because things are better now, and I would want to make it much better in the table banking and the chamas side. Thanks a lot. Thank you. See you all in the next video.